day today? I hope you all in the good condition. My name is Nima Dewi Dayani and today I would like to share my opinion about three topic problem. The first about the carbon trade, the second topic about Industrial Revolution 4.0, and the last about violence based on religion. Happy watching! Okay, I will start with the first topic. It is about the carbon trading. Environmental issues have recently become a hot topic of discussion, especially those related to global warming. One of the causes of global warming is the increases in the amount of carbon dioxide on Earth. To overcome this, then come the term carbon trading. Carbon trading sounds quite foreign to the earth of most people today. But this is not something new. Carbon trading is trade between countries that is structured with the aim of reducing carbon dioxide emission. With regard to global warming, it is our collective responsibility to preserve the earth. In my opinion about regarding carbon trading is that I agree because it is very effective in solving environmental problems. By trading in sulfur dioxide permits, for example, this is thought to help limit excess acid in the United States. This could be a big draw for the government by stemming the production of CO2. If a restriction and trade schemes could be combined globally, it could be a relatively hassle-free and quicker method of helping the world decarbonize. In my opinion, this carbon trading activity will be mutually beneficial for developing and developed countries. Developing countries, especially those with extensive forests, will get money from developed countries, as well as developed countries will benefit from the reduction of carbon dioxide. Therefore, good cooperation between all countries is needed to make the program success. Broadly speaking, carbon trading, known as carbon emission trading, is a compensation given by industrialized countries or carbon-producing countries to pay for environmental damage due to the production of carbon dioxide or CO2 smoke. This payment is given to the country that owns the forest or the country that becomes the carbon sink. The current carbon trading mechanism can be a solution for several developed countries to reduce greenhouse gas emission. Carbon trading allows permit holding countries to emit carbon dioxide. Carbon trading is currently a key strategy in the European Union's effort to slow climate change. This carbon trading scheme has proven to be very effective in tackling environmental problems in the past, with trading permits for sulfur dioxide emission to help reduce the potential for acid rain in several countries, including the United States. What is of great attraction to government concerned with limiting CO2 production is the fact the carbon trading is much easier to implement. That direct regulation the cost a lot of money and carbon tax that are less popular with the public. If regional restriction and trade schemes can be combined globally coupled with competitive carbon prices, carbon trading can be a fast and effective method to help decarbonize the world without incurring huge losses. Okay, the next issue is about the Revolution Industrial 4.0. Relate the development of the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where this technological development greatly facilitates human work and make life more adventurous than before. However, the progress of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 can eliminate future human work because everything is taken over by technology such as robots. Now, my opinion regarding this is that this development is very good because in addition to reducing production costs because it reduces the use of labor. Using technology can increase its product output and can increase national income because it can produce good in a relative short time with a good quality. Regarding the loss of many jobs due to being replaced by technology, I think humans can think far ahead about technology. If jobs involving technology disappear, new jobs will arise that can be taken over by humans. Although the Industrial Revolution 4.0 may eliminate some types of work, on the other hand, it also presents new types of work. New jobs that appear are social media specialists, specialist content creator, web developer, data scientist, and app developer. With the advancement of technology, it will change the pattern of human life to be more advanced than developed. In my opinion, this is very positive to increase the potential of every human being, because life needed to develop in a better direction. With the discovery of new technology will definitely require labor as well. For this reason, improving the quality of human resource is very important to support this, so that humans are not left behind by the progress of the times. Our task is to learn and continue to improve our potential to be able to compete in this 4.0 era. So keep ahead with the technology, and while thinking about it, the workforce will be important to support the development of the technology. Okay, the last I will talk about religion-based violence. This case has been going on for a long time and often happen. In my opinion, religion-based violence such as bullying, suppression, or will be murder occurs because of several factors. One of which is because of differences in understanding of values that are conflicting within religion communities. In addition, the difference between the majority and the minority is also a factor in the emergence of conflict between religious community. This can be opportunity for certain provocators. Religion factors are also influential, as we know that in Indonesia there are 6 religions. This causes different people understanding, as well as their religious teaching. Lack of tolerance also causes people to commit religious violence. Desire to be in power in order to make the state a religion. There are various slander between religious communities that can cause social unrest against each other because of different religion. Educational and environmental factors will also influence a person's mindset so that people can do religion-based violence. The environment in which human life has a greatest influence on how humans behave. In addition, the lack of knowledge about religion so that there is an inferred understanding of religion such as terrorists and knowledge of the law make certain people desperate to take action such as murder, kidnapping, and even torture that violates human rights. In my opinion, this act of religious violence is not good because it can cause division. If it is not immediately prevented, it will often occur. Action against human rights violence for this reason it is better to strengthen the sense of tolerance among the people. A small example is mutual respect for each other. If we want to be respected by others, then try to respect them. If we want to respect it, try to respect and raise awareness that we live in a pluralistic country, don't want to win alone, and encourage humanity and tolerance. Okay, I think that's all about my opinion about this issue. Thank you for watching and see you the next video. Bye bye.